This project is about 88 housing units in a small or medium-sized French city, and it's about how the program meets an urban setting. And what the architects have done here is simply to subdivide the program into 3 buildings that are each articulated in its own way and addresses the different urban situations, as well as being rendered in 3 different colors of brick. It's a very subtle but very powerful project.
It's about an 88 housing project in 2 blocks and 3 buildings close to the canal with a common language. And we create an opening to the core of the garden to make a connection with the street.
We also take the advantage of the canal, which is a natural element of the surrounding. We wanted that all the apartments had a view of the canal. We like to build with brick because it's material that come from the earth, and we can use it in different way, in different ornamentation, different color, and there's also the durability. When you have a building in brick, you know it's going to last for a long time.
It was an evidence for us to work with the brick because of the industrial past of the area. There are many industrial buildings close to in the city of Pantin. Close to the project there is an important industrial landmark, which is the Grand Moulin building. So for us, materiality was important to create this connection to the history of the city.
The 3 buildings use the same vocabulary: the frame, the ornamentation and the material. And the interaction with the brick was the color, because as we say before, we have 1 vocabulary and 1 identity on each building, and each building has 1 color of brick and 1 color of metal.
We use other materials in the project, as the windows in aluminum and the guardrails in steel, but the brick is still the main material in the project. I love his versatility because we can do many things with it, many forms, many ornaments, and also as a natural material, it captures the light in an interesting way. One of the biggest pleasure for me and for us is to see that the inhabitants, the people who live here, are using and taking care of the spaces, the common spaces, but also the exteriors, so that show us that they are happy living here.